Culinary adventure, Ugandan BBQ like you've never seen before. This isn't your average cookout. It's a journey to discover the most mouth-watering grilled meats Uganda has to offer. Peaks and passion behind every bite. Whether you're a food lover or an adventurous eater, get ready to experience the bold, soulful flavors of Ugandan cuisine. By the end, you'll be craving these dishes or trying to recreate them at home. Let's fire up the grills and get started. As we continue our countdown of Uganda's most iconic street foods, we arrive at number 5, and it's a true classic, Muchomo. This isn't just food, it's an experience, a cultural touchstone, and a flavor explosion all rolled into one. Get ready to discover why Muchomo holds such a special place in the hearts and stomachs of Ugandans. Muchomo is more than just a meal, it's the street food legend of Uganda. It's the aroma that fills the air, the sizzle that tantalizes your ears, and the taste that keeps you coming back for more. It's a culinary cornerstone deeply embedded in the fabric of Ugandan society. From bustling city centers to quiet roadside stops, Muchomo is a constant, a reliable source of deliciousness and community. Muchomo, in its simplest translation, means roasted meat. But the name hardly does justice to the depth of flavor and cultural significance it carries. The roasting process itself is an art form, passed down through generations, ensuring each piece of meat is cooked to perfection. And you'll find it everywhere, a testament to its popularity and accessibility. No matter where you are in Uganda, a Muchomo vendor is never too far away. The enticing smell of roasting meat is a siren call, drawing in hungry customers from all walks of life. From city corners where the hustle and bustle never cease, to village gatherings where community bonds are strengthened over shared meals, Muchomo is a unifying force. It transcends social barriers, bringing people together to enjoy a simple yet satisfying pleasure. The star of the show is undoubtedly the meat itself. Skewers loaded with beef, carefully cut and prepared, are a common sight. The selection of the meat is crucial, with vendors often sourcing the best cuts to ensure tenderness and flavor. Or perhaps you prefer goat, a slightly gamier and equally delicious alternative. Goat Muchomo offers a unique taste profile with a richer, more intense flavor that appeals to many. Or chicken, a lighter and more universally appealing option. Chicken Muchomo is a great choice for those who prefer a leaner protein, while still enjoying the smoky, grilled flavor. These skewers are then lovingly grilled over charcoal, the traditional method that imparts that signature smoky flavor. The type of charcoal used, often sourced locally, also contributes to the unique taste of Muchomo. The heat must be carefully controlled to ensure the meat is cooked through without being burnt. Before hitting the grill, the meat is marinated simply with salt and pepper, allowing the natural flavors to shine through. This minimalist approach highlights the quality of the meat and the skill of the cook, and local spices, a closely guarded secret that varies from vendor to vendor. These spices add a subtle layer of complexity, enhancing the overall taste and creating a unique culinary experience. But the magic is in the experience, the atmosphere, the shared camaraderie. Gathering around a Muchomo grill is a social event, a chance to connect with friends, family, and even strangers. The smoky aromas wafting through the air are an irresistible invitation. The smell alone is enough to make your mouth water and your stomach rumble. The sizzling fat dripping onto the hot coals creates a symphony of sounds and smells. This is the sound of deliciousness in the making, a promise of the flavors to come. And the communal joy of sharing a meal, passing around skewers and stories, is what truly makes Muchomo special. It's a shared experience that strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. Vendors expertly turn the skewers, ensuring each side is perfectly cooked and caramelized. Their skill and experience are evident in every movement, a testament to their dedication to their craft. They are serving the meat with roasted plantain, a sweet and starchy complement to the savory meat. The combination of flavors and textures is a culinary delight, and a fresh onion-tomato salad, adding a refreshing crunch and acidity to balance the richness of the meat. This simple salad is the perfect counterpoint to the grilled flavors, cleansing the palate and preparing you for the next bite. No fancy gadgets, no complicated techniques. Muchomo is all about simplicity and authenticity, just fire, skill, and incredible flavor, a winning combination that has stood the test of time. The focus is on the quality of the ingredients and the expertise of the cook. Muchomo is more than food, it's a symbol of Ugandan culture, a representation of its people and their values. It's a cultural ritual, a tradition that has been passed down through generations, connecting Ugandans to their heritage. That brings everyone together, regardless of their background or social status. It's a unifying force that transcends differences and celebrates shared humanity. So, follow the smoke, let your senses guide you to the nearest Muchomo vendor. Join the crowd, immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, and prepare for a culinary adventure, and taste the heartbeat of Ugandan street food, experience the magic of Muchomo, and discover why it's a true legend. You won't be disappointed. Number 4 takes us Lakeside and citrus, then grilled whole over charcoal. The result? Crispy skin, moist and flaky flesh, and an aroma that captures the spirit of the lake. Served with kachumbari salad and fries, it's a communal, hands-on feast. The flavors are clean and bright, with the marinade enhancing the natural sweetness of the fish. Eating grilled tilapia by the water is a true Ugandan experience. It's proof that BBQ isn't just about red meat, it's about celebrating the best local ingredients, a lakeside classic you can't miss. And now, cracking the top 3, we have a dish that's both familiar and uniquely Ugandan. Chicken on a stick. This isn't just any grilled chicken, it's a culinary experience that tantalizes the taste buds and leaves you craving more. We're talking about succulent pieces of chicken, marinated to perfection and grilled over an open flame, creating a symphony of flavors that dance in your mouth. This is Uganda's delicious take on a global favorite, a testament to the country's vibrant street food scene and its ability to infuse international dishes with local flair. You'll find these skewers sizzling on grills across the country, from bustling city markets to quiet roadside stalls. Each vendor brings their own personal touch to the recipe, making every bite a unique adventure. The real secret to this incredible flavor? It all starts with a deep, rich, and incredibly flavorful marinade, the heart and soul of this dish. The foundation of this marinade is generous amounts of fresh garlic, followed by the zesty warmth of ginger, adding a subtle spice and aromatic complexity. Then comes the savory depth of finely diced onion, lending its pungent sweetness to the mix. The earthy notes of turmeric, adding not only flavor but also a vibrant golden hue, and the complex blend of spices found in curry powder, creating a symphony of tastes that awaken the senses. Finally, a splash of soy sauce adds umami and depth, tying all the flavors together in perfect harmony. This marinade isn't just a coating, it's a transformative bath that infuses every fiber of the chicken with its incredible essence. Once the chicken has soaked up all that goodness, juicy chicken chunks are carefully skewered, often interspersed with colorful bell peppers and sweet onions, creating a visually appealing and flavorful combination. These skewers are then lovingly grilled over hot, glowing charcoal, the traditional method that imparts a smoky char and unbeatable flavor. As they cook, the chicken transforms, developing a beautiful golden color and releasing an irresistible smoky aroma that fills the air. The marinade slowly caramelizes over the heat, creating a sticky, sweet, and savory glaze that clings to the chicken. This process not only enhances the flavor but also seals in all the natural juices, locking in juiciness and ensuring a tender, melt-in-your-mouth experience. The high heat creates a crave-worthy crust, a delightful contrast to the succulent interior. That slight char is the hallmark of perfectly grilled chicken on a stick. It's street food perfection at its finest, a testament to the simple yet profound flavors of Ugandan cuisine. It's incredibly easy to eat, making it the perfect snack or light meal on the go. Each bite is packed with flavor, a burst of savory, smoky, and slightly sweet goodness that is always satisfying. What truly sets the Ugandan twist apart is the exquisite balance of flavors. It's savory, deeply aromatic, with a tantalizing fragrance that draws you in from afar. There's a hint of sweetness that complements the savory notes, and just enough heat to give it a pleasant kick without being overpowering. Whether you grab a skewer on the go from a street vendor or share a plate with friends at a lively local bar, chicken on a stick is the perfect accompaniment to any occasion. Chicken on a stick perfectly proves that with the right combination of marinade, quality ingredients, and the kiss of the fire, even the simplest cut of chicken can be transformed into something truly extraordinary. It's a must-try for any BBQ lover visiting Uganda, a culinary adventure that will leave you with unforgettable memories and a craving for more. So next time you're in Uganda, be sure to seek out this smoky sensation. Your taste buds will thank you. Meet skewers, a true Ugandan delicacy. Free-range goat is cubed, marinated with garlic, ginger, cumin, coriander, and a splash of citrus for tenderness. Skewered and grilled over hot charcoal, the meat develops a smoky crust while staying shockingly tender inside. No veggies, just pure, unadulterated goat flavor, elevated by warm spices. Served simply, maybe with a squeeze of lime, these skewers are a highlight at celebrations and BBQ joints. Goat is often overlooked elsewhere, but here it's celebrated and cooked to perfection. The result: juicy, flavorful bites that redefine what goat meat can be. A true triumph of the grill. And now, the undisputed champion, the head honcho, the king of Ugandan BBQ, pork ribs, or as it's affectionately known, the legendary pork joint pork. It's more than just a meal, it's an institution. A culinary cornerstone of Ugandan culture. Pork joints across Uganda aren't just restaurants, they are weekend destinations, social hubs where communities gather. They're places where stories are shared, friendships are forged, and memories are made, all over the love of perfectly cooked pork. These vibrant spots are buzzing with music, infectious laughter, and most importantly, the irresistible aroma of roasting pork that wafts through the air, beckoning hungry patrons from miles around. The atmosphere is electric, a true celebration of food and life. Whole racks or generous chunks are lovingly slow-cooked over smoldering charcoal, a process that requires patience and skill. The low and slow method ensures that the meat becomes incredibly tender and infused with smoky goodness. The seasoning is simple, often just a generous sprinkle of salt, allowing the natural flavor of the high-quality pork to truly shine through. Some grill masters might add a touch of pepper or a secret blend of spices, but the focus remains on highlighting the pork itself. As the pork cooks, the fat slowly renders, creating a crackling golden brown skin that is the ultimate prize for any pork rib aficionado. The sound of the skin crisping over the coals is music to the ears. Beneath that crispy exterior lies meltingly tender meat, infused with a deep, smoky flavor that permeates every fiber. Each bite is an explosion of textures and tastes, a testament to the art of slow cooking. The perfectly cooked pork ribs are traditionally served with roasted plantain, the creamy richness of avocado, and a fiery chili sauce that adds a welcome kick. This combination of flavors and textures creates a symphony on the palate. The presentation is often as impressive as the taste, with huge platters piled high with glistening ribs being brought to the table. It's a feast for the senses, a visual spectacle that heightens the anticipation. Eating pork ribs is not a delicate affair, it's a joyous, hands-on ritual that encourages you to get down and dirty. Forget the cutlery, use your fingers to tear into the succulent meat. It's messy, communal, and utterly satisfying. Sharing a platter of pork ribs with friends and family is an experience that strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. It's the centerpiece of celebrations, from birthdays to graduations, and the very soul of Ugandan BBQ culture. No gathering is complete without a generous serving of perfectly cooked pork ribs. Pork ribs reign supreme, winning hearts and taste buds with their unparalleled flavor, irresistible texture, and the unforgettable, immersive experience they deliver. It's a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. Perfection on a platter, a true testament to the simple pleasures of life, and a culinary masterpiece that embodies the spirit of Uganda. What a journey! From Muchomo to pork ribs, we've tasted the best of Ugandan BBQ. Each dish is a story of culture, passion, and unforgettable flavor. If you visit Uganda, seek out these dishes, or try recreating them at home for your own BBQ adventure. Till next time, stay hungry and keep exploring.